kailangan palahukin mo, kilalanin mo ang mahalagang partisipasyon ng mga mamamayan sapagkat sila naman ang tunay na benepisyaryo ng programa ng gobyerno. Kung wala yon, mabibigo tayo sa sinasabi nating pag-unlad.
To begin with, yung pera ginagamit ng ating gobyerno ay pera ng taong bayan. So we have every right to voice out how we think that money should be spent.
Civil society incarnating the voice of the people should guide government in what action is required and making sure that the aspirations of the people continue to be what motivates government. And if not, that is when civil society raises its voice.
So itong panukalang batas, House Bill 3773, ay ito yung nagbibigay ng enabling law para maisabuhay itong provision ng ating saligang batas. Civil society organizations ay pwedeng mag-participate in the formulation of the budget that would be submitted to Congress.
So we are a kind of accountability, kind of watchdog, a kind of mechanism to tell the government that here we are outside government, we are in the Citizens Network, but we are watching you.
Kapag nakikialam ka, akusahan ka pa na anti-government, destabilizer, may mga ganyan kaming naranasan. Ngayon, kung kami ay may authority na mag-participate, hindi na pwedeng gawin yan.